Hi teacher. The first photo shows a cycling race. In the foreground, I can see three cyclists, but in the background there are more than three. According to the position, they could go through a curve. I'm not sure, but I can say all of them are wearing helmets and uniform according to their team. It must be the man in green, the leader of the stage. And the second photo shows a family joined, father, mother, daughter, and son. They are under a tent in a beautiful landscape. It's a very clear, bright day, and judging by the scenery, it could be in a countryside. I would say that they like spending time with their family due to the father cares his boy chin work, and to some similarities, both of the pictures show outdoor activities. The first one is cycling and the second one is camping. In spite of being different photos, both pictures depict free time activities. I think both pictures show people doing things that they like to enjoy, they like to do a lot. And some differences. The main difference between the two photos is that the kind of activity that they are developing. In the first one is a concentration activity in a sport. In the second one is a relaxing activity in a camping activity. In the first picture, the place where they develop the activity is a way or a road, but in the second picture is in a countryside. I prefer the second one because it's similar to my farm, and we usually do that thing when invite family and share with them.